how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I actually have something that's not instant noodles, it's curry. This is a Sutharos Organics Yellow Curry Vegan Cooking Set. And this came from the nice guy down at Golden Base Supply down in, what do you call it? San Francisco. So, I got this too hot, I think. Hopefully, I won't die. So we got yellow curry paste, we got coconut milk. So the first thing we do is you fry up. We get some oil going, and then we add in the yellow curry paste. So yeah, this doesn't come with noodles. I had some extra noodles, and that's what's in. I already made that, so this will go over that, I think. Let's hope this isn't so hot that it like explodes. No, good. So let's see. There's our yellow curry paste. A little bit higher. I think we got time really quick to slam out a quote from the Momofuku Ando Speaks book, the most wonderful book in the world. Number 97, make products that will inspire and impress people. There you go. Now that's pretty quick and easy, right? Can you see the, yeah, you can see the thing. All right. So let's get this around here. Get it going. This is just basically oil and curry paste hanging out, doing what it does best. Smelling good, that's for sure. That smells really good. So I think the oil, when it heats up, it causes like aromas and wonderfuls, and this is not supposed to happen. And this is like a Capri Sun pouch of curry, or coconut milk, which is rad. That works. Let's see. You're using a metal fork on a Teflon pan. What's wrong with you? Oh, because I hate this pan and I want to get a new pan. That's really, really, seriously the reason why I do this. I absolutely hate this pan. What are they called? Circulon? I can't stand Circulon. I don't like the bumpy bottom. It makes me mad. That's all I want is like a really nice set of like chef crap. I mean, doesn't everybody? Is that the deal or what? Looks like sour cream, but I know it's coconut milk. There we go. That's getting that color. That's getting the old pucker on. Yellow curry. Okay. It's gonna take forever to cook. It might be a long episode. I hope you're willing to hang out with me for the duration. That tastes like curry. Okay. Stir for 1 minute until the mixture of aromatic taste exposes. Oh. Did I stir it for a minute? I stirred it a little bit. Getting all boobly. Back here so you can see better. That's a little better. Give it a little bit more stir time. But yeah, this isn't normally what I do, you know. Normally I'm doing the noodles and stuff. Okay, and then next, it's 300 mils of water into the mixture. Wait until it boils and then add onion, seasoning, desired meat. Okay. So I need 300 mils of water. I'll get that first. Did I make a mess on the floor? I couldn't see myself doing it. It smells really good. There we go. Okay, 300 mils. Uh-oh. He's good. There's 200 and... There's 220. So I just need 80 more. There you go. I'm telling you, baby bottles. Best thing for exact metric amounts. Okay, now what do we do? Okay, I got 300 in there. Get it to a boil. And add onion and meat, and then at the end add, onion, organic curry seasoning, okay. Well, I don't have any onion like they're talking. I think they're talking like white onion. But I do have this. I've got a few things. I've got some stuff in my arsenal. Got this. This is the yellow curry seasoning. I think it's where the sodium's at, probably. Because right now it's not like the saltiest thing in the world, but we'll see how this all plays out. And then these herbs, it's like a lot of leaves. I think it's just going to look really, really nice. So boil, boil, boil. It's not boiling. I'm watching it and it's not boiling. How does that figure? I'm thirsty, so I'm going to crack my Coca-Cola. So he sent me like 4 of these kits. I like how it's called a set. That's like a very Southeast Asian thing. Like if you go to a restaurant here, you'll get like the combo deal, right? So you'll get like 2 pieces of chicken, a biscuit, some gravy, and some mashed potatoes. That's like a combo deal. Over in Southeast Asia, if you went to KFC, that was just called a set. It was like a meal set. That's what they call this. So here is our yellow curry seasoning. Oh. This looks to be non-dairy creamer. So what this is going to do probably is thicken things up. Always kind of makes me giggle a little bit. It's like it's non-dairy creamer. It's not really seasoning. It's just a thickening agent, but whatever. It works. It does the job that it needs to do, and it does it well, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So, let's put this aside. I'm just going to dump all this in. I've got mung bean sprouts. I got some spring onion. Okay, and then the protein I've chosen is beef. I've got a bunch of it. Semi-bunch of it. So this is the part that's going to take forever. I'm also going to throw in the basil that I got here. This is Thai basil. it's definitely on its last leg, but I've got all this Thai food now. I'm stoked, so I'm gonna like get another little thing of Thai basil. This is from the local domestic grocery store, and it's kind of expensive there. If you go to like, what just happened? I didn't tell it to do anything, I tell ya. Let's make sure you're still recording. Yeah, you're working. You just all of a sudden popped up. I couldn't understand that last thing. It's like, what do you mean? I wasn't even talking to you. I don't even have it set up on my phone so I can talk to it. Other than like... Anyways. So let's see. Can we do this? Yeah. Guess I could get it a little closer. Just a skosh. Okay. Hotter. So yeah, this isn't looking too shabby. Beef in there. I wish I had a little more. I mean, I've got some coriander for it at the end. I'm not putting it in right now and letting it get all funky looking. No, sir. No. No, sir, I'm not gonna do that, eh? I'm gonna go with this bowl. This bowl is wide. I've also got noodles. That will go, I guess, underneath. I don't know how that's all gonna work out. The noodles are really good. These are the ones that are usually frozen from Taiwan. I had some leftovers. So yeah, we'll let this go for a little while. That's enough out there from the peanut gallery. So yeah, I'm gonna let this kind of simmer for a few minutes, and yeah, I'll get back with you in a second. Alright, so we got the noodles here, and I've got the curry right here. I just realized I didn't put the herbs in with it. I'm going to do that right now. Let's add these herbs. It says they are also organic. Everything it's saying is organic, but I know that you probably guessed. The one thing that's not not organic is the noodles. So, and this looks very, very nice. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I don't even know if this is like a correct thing to do, but this is what I'm doing. And it has been done. So there, ladies and gentlemen, I have done what I've set out to do. We've got noodles, and we've got all this neat stuff on top of it. And that's off. That's good, because that's really hot. I'm going to add a couple things. I've got some pepper flake. Add that all around. And then we got, do I really want some sesame seeds? I don't think so. But I think I want some oil. And I think I'm going to go with the, where'd you go? There you are. I got the layers stuff that's really, really like cloudy. I like that. So we will be helpful with that. Then top the whole shebang off with some nice coriander, right like that. And there you go. That's what I am doing with this. It's a lot of curry. There's a lot of noodles in that thing too. Holy cow. And it's really hot. This is going to be hard to like transport and take pictures of. Let's move you just like that. Is that going to work? I think so. Rotato. Do your stuff. Alright, last one of the day. Hey, wait a second. There you go. Sorry about that. This would be better served like this. What do you guys like better? Do you like the side shot better, or do you like the top-down shot better? Let me know in the comments below. And I will definitely listen to that, because I mean, I don't want to like give you what you don't want. My whole idea is to always continue to give you exactly what you want, what you need, and what makes you happy. Anyways. Well, that is a wrap for this. The day it is. I want to thank you for watching, and again, I want to thank Golden Bay Supply. Whoa, I'm down here again. I want to thank Golden Bay Supply for shooting over all these great Thai varieties to give a taste, and yeah, check them out. You might, well, I don't think they're exactly like a store, they're a distributor. So if you see these products in the stores, look on the back. You might see that they're coming from Golden Bay Supply. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.